A signal is drawn on a time axis that runs both ways from the origin. A sine wave is the sine of an angle that grows steadily with the time. The sine wave is the sine of the radian frequency omega naught times the time, plus the phase angle theta. The expression is read as the sine of the angle inside the parentheses. That argument is an angle measured in radians, and not an instant of time. The radian frequency counts radians per second, and not cycles per second. 2 pi radians make 1 cycle, so the radian frequency is 2 pi times the frequency f0. The drawn sine wave is 0 at the origin, 1 at the instant 1, and 0 again at the instant 2. The same sine wave is drawn again, over rather more than one full repetition. The sine returns to its own values whenever its angle gains 2 pi. Adding 2 pi to the angle leaves every value of the sine wave unchanged. The angle gains 2 pi after a time equal to 2 pi divided by the radian frequency. Advancing the time by that amount adds exactly 2 pi to the angle. For a radian frequency of pi over 2, that time is 4 seconds. The period of the drawn sine wave is therefore 4 seconds. 2 sine waves of the same radian frequency are drawn one above the other. A phase angle moves the wave along the time axis. The phase angle can be taken inside as an advance in the time itself. The wave advances by the phase angle divided by the radian frequency. Here, the phase angle theta and the radian frequency omega naught are both pi over 2. The advance is 1 second, while the phase angle itself is about 1 in 57 hundredths. The peak moves from the instant 1 back to the origin, an advance of exactly 1 second. A point travels round a circle while a wave is drawn beside it. The circle has radius 1, so the point never rises above 1 nor falls below -1. The angle of the point grows with the time at the radian frequency omega naught. The height of the point above the horizontal axis is the value of the sine wave. The point turns steadily, and its height traces the sine wave alongside it, instant by instant. A full turn of the point takes 2 pi divided by the radian frequency. 1 turn of the point therefore draws exactly 1 period of the wave. A second elementary signal is drawn on the same kind of axis. The sinc is a sine divided by its own argument. The definition puts pi times the argument in the sine above and the same quantity below. The symbol is read as the sinc of omega naught times the time. At the origin, the quotient is not 0 divided by 0. The sine of a small angle approaches that angle, so the sinc equals 1 at the origin. The numerator of the sinc is drawn above the sinc itself. A quotient is 0, wherever its numerator is 0 and its denominator is naught. The sine of pi times the time is 0 at every integer. At the origin, the denominator is 0 as well, so that one instant is different. The sinc is 0 at the instant 1 and at the instant 2, and it is 1 at the origin. Every integer other than the origin is a 0 of the sinc. The zeros of the sinc are exactly the non-zero integers. The sinc is drawn once more, on the same window as before. The magnitude of a sine never exceeds 1. Dividing by pi times, the magnitude of the time therefore bounds the sinc above and below. Equality holds at every instant where the sine has magnitude 1. At 1/2, the sinc is 2 over pi, and the bound there is 2 over pi as well. The two bounds touch the sinc at those instants and nowhere else. The sinc decays like 1 divided by the time.